Hey everyone, it's Anna from the For Real YouTube channel. Are you struggling with a blacklisted IMEI or bad ESN on your phone? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through several proven methods to remove a blacklisted IMEI from any Apple or Android device, including Samsung and others. We'll dive into the common solutions out there and why they might not be the best option for you. But don't lose hope. There's a much better, safer, and free alternative that works every time. So, stick around and let's get your phone back in action. Remember, this information is only for responsible use. It's for those who own their device and have forgotten their access info. We do not support or encourage illegal activities like bypassing security on stolen devices. Please respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. All right, let's dive into the services that can help you remove a blacklisted IMEI. If you've heard about Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, you know it's the best, free, and most up-to-date solution out there. It's super fast and incredibly reliable. Another great option is Safe Unlocks. They have a long history of providing excellent service, and it only costs $1. For those specifically dealing with IMEI blacklist issues, ESN Doctor is a specialized service that can help. Now, let's talk about how to use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant to remove the blacklist from your device. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and go to unlockhere.com to access the website for removing the blacklist on your IMEI. You'll be greeted by Nifty, the AI-powered tool from the Unlock Here team. Scroll down a bit and select the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Follow the steps on the app, starting by selecting the brand of your device. All major and medium-sized brands are compatible. Select yours and click the Next button. Enter your IMEI or serial number. If you need help finding it, there's a tutorial on the app. Simply dial *#06# on your phone to display a pop-up with your IMEI number. Provide your name and email address as your point of contact, ensuring you comply with all the terms and conditions. If you have any questions, check the resources available on the app. Once your request is processed, you will receive an email with your unlock details, typically within 5 to 15 minutes. Be sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. To confirm and activate your order, copy the verification code from the email. Click on Confirm IMEI Unlock, paste the code, complete the CAPTCHA and press Validate Info and Start Unlock. Nifty will finalize the unlocking process. If you encounter any issues, you can chat with our live support. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. You need to know that the unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for viewers who watch our videos. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your phone model, your IMEI, and your country. Once these steps are completed, you'll be automatically entered. Alright guys, here are some more alternative ways to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. First, contact the carrier that blacklisted your device. They are the ones who can provide the most direct assistance. When you do this, make sure to provide proof of ownership. This could be a receipt or any document showing you're the legitimate owner of the device. This step is crucial because it proves you have the right to use the phone. If your device was reported lost or stolen and you've recovered it, let the carrier know. This is called report resolution, and they might remove it from the blacklist once they confirm your story. It's also a good idea to check the IMEI status regularly. Sometimes, blacklists are updated and devices are removed for various reasons. You can use online IMEI status checkers to monitor your device's status and stay informed. Finally, if your device was wrongfully blacklisted and you can't resolve the issue through the carrier, legal action might be an option. This step should be considered a last resort due to the potential costs and time involved, but consulting a legal professional could help you find a solution. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, or if you have any other questions, please comment below. Remember, these unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or prefer not to use them, We offer 250 unlocks every week for viewers who watch our videos. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your phone model, your IMEI, and your country. Once these steps are completed, you'll be automatically entered. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful content and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. See you next time.